Alright guys, gonna be installing some more parts today. Gonna be installing the Burns Auto carbon fiber center armrest and the centerpiece carbon there. You can see they're both exactly the same OEM part. Everything is exactly the same as the OEM. Alright guys, so now we're in the car. I moved my seat all the way back to make this a little bit easier. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this little mat in there. And then take a Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws. Just like so. Not too complicated. Now we want to loosen this boot up, so pull straight up on there. To loosen this up like that. You're not going to hurt anything by manhandling a little bit. There you go. There's another screw down in there. Loosen that one up. Put that back in there as well. Okay, now that we got that screw loose and those two screws loose, you'll be able to just pry up right here, pry up, and you'll normally have a clip, but somebody apparently took this apart already, and the clip that is supposed to be clipped in there is missing. So you guys will have to remove that clip and install it on the new piece. I'll show you about that. Now let's try and get this flipped over on the side here, and get this all loosened. Get this screw here. Put that in the boot. This screw down here. We're gonna need to remove. Uh-oh. Where'd that go? There it is. Be careful with the screws, guys. You don't want to lose them. Put that down in there. We're going to need to remove all these screws to transfer everything over anyway, so just remove them all. This is for the STI center control and center diff. And these screws here for the cup holder. This screw here, heated seats, okay, we're getting there. Let's see. Okay guys, so I finally figured it out. When this is down like this, that clip I told you to remove, that's perfect. You want to make sure you remove this clip that's down here, and then you'll pull down on this and that comes loose. Get the screwdriver down out of here. And now we can pull this out the way it's supposed to be, and don't do what I tried to do and take it back through the wrong way. I tried to take this through here, and you saw what I did. That's how that comes out. Now the whole piece comes out. Now guys, you'll have a clip you'll have to remove here, but somebody already removed mine and didn't put it back. So you'll take that clip out of there and just place it right back in that slot. So you have a nice snug fit. Mine's going to be a little bit loose. I may order that. Alright, so now that we got the carbon piece, we're going to be very careful with it. I'm going to start by putting this back in there. And look at that, clips in perfect. Nice fit. Perfect. And then there is 2 screws. Careful with the screws, don't want to lose them. Like that guy lost, whoever took my center console off before, lost that dang clip. You don't want to go too tight and snap with anything, guys. That's perfect. Now we got that in. Open this back up. Kind of get that lined up. We'll pull this back and we'll get this clip and everything back in line here. Now this, you want the wires to point towards the top, the opening to point towards the bottom. That's where the plug goes. Snap that in just like that. Now we can put the heated seat wires back in. Down there. Heated seat clips back in. But don't forget, you got the one on the bottom. It's a little harder to get to. That in nice and snug. Okay, now we can get the carbon secured. There. That screw in. Now we'll grab this back, get this back in there. wire around there like that. Put that up in there. You got those screws up there for that cup holder. You got the one here, guys. Like I said, you don't want to go too tight, you'll break the plastic. You don't want to crack it. Got the one over here. Perfect. This one again. Okay. Next screw here. 2 more screws, guys. Got the one for the bottom of the cup holder. Like so. Perfect. And then we got the last one. Up here. So you want to make sure it's all clipped in right before you screw it down. You want to break any of the clips or anything. Now that's in. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. What a difference. Oh my God. Get that leather boot up, out of the way. Hold this back. Plug this clip back in, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Heard it snap back in. Perfect. That's all our controls. Now you guys will have that pin that plugs in down there, but I don't have that, so I just have the screw holding this side down. I might order, I'm going to see how this fits. Whoever took this apart before didn't put that clip, or broke the clip or something. Didn't know the clip was there. I don't know. Yeah. It's a little loose without a clip. But you guys will have that clip. Let's see. Get these screws put on and see if it makes it any better. I always noticed this was a little loose. And I never knew why. Now I know why. Those nice and tight down there. Put your carpet back in there. Close that. Now we can snap the boot back in place here. Make sure they all clip in. We're good. Mine's still a little loose right here because that clip's missing. I'm a little upset about, but that was always a little loose here, and I know why now. So, alright guys, now we're going to be installing the armrest, and it's going to go like this. This will be the front, and the smaller section will be the back. It only goes on one way. I don't think you can mess it up. Let's see. Yeah, see, the fitment's completely off if you put it on that way. Put it on this way. This comes with 3M tape, and I was going to use that, but the fitment on this is so nice and tight that you won't even need the 3M tape. Make sure we get it all on there secure, just like that. We're good.